Hello everyone, this is Mr. Molikash. The purpose of this video is to give you a walkthrough of Blackboard. To begin, let's go to the johnstoncc.edu homepage. After you go to the homepage, you'll see a button for Blackboard at the top. Right now you'll be redirected to the Blackboard page, so we'll wait to be redirected. And then you'll have to put in your username and password and log in. Once you log in, you'll see a list of courses on the right side. We're going to click on MAT171, section I05, which may be different from your current section, but I'll use this as an example. The first thing you'll see is a list of announcements. Announcements are posted at least once each week and are emailed to students to their johnstoncc.edu email address. On the left side, you'll see a list of buttons, the first being the announcements, the second syllabus. In the syllabus tab, you'll find the course syllabus document, which you can download, a student acknowledgement form, a place to submit a signed acknowledgement form, and then the rest of the policies and guidelines from Johnston Community College, which are also part of the syllabus. You can print this document, sign it, complete it, take a picture of it and upload a picture here, or you can use Foxit PDF Reader or Adobe Reader to fill out a fillable form. Once you're submitting the form, please submit it here, and you'll see at this icon is a place where you can upload files. These are called assignments in Blackboard. The next button is the My Instructor button. This tells you about me, how to contact me, and a little bit of information about me. The next is the Enrollment Verification Quiz. The Enrollment Verification Quiz is important when you log in to Blackboard to start with. It must be completed no later than the census date. This is important to verify that you're enrolled in the course. The next is the Weekly Assignments button. In the Weekly Assignments button, you'll find exactly that, your weekly assignments. You'll have 16 weeks worth of weekly assignments, but currently you'll only be able to see the first week. In the Weekly Assignments button, you'll see a written assignment that's due, as well as some ALEKS objectives. Also, you'll be contributing to a discussion board where you can introduce yourself to the class. There are also some course resources listed. We'll get to those in just a minute. The next part is this ALEKS button, Accessing ALEKS. ALEKS is the online companion course for the course, and you'll be using ALEKS throughout the course. First, you'll see the textbook right here, and you click on that says the ALEKS button. And when you do, you'll immediately be given access to ALEKS. If you're not paired, please contact me and I can help you get paired into ALEKS. There are some videos that can help you get into this process. So I'll go ahead and show you the student view. Okay, the student view is what you will see when you log in. And in the student view, you'll have to do a couple of things. The first time you log into ALEKS, you'll be given a tools tutorial. So ALEKS is personalized to you. It figures out what you already know and what you don't know, and it tailors instruction to your needs. So we're going to quickly go through this. I won't take the time to go through the entire tutorial, but I do want to show you the highlights. For the tools tutorial, you'll be given access to different items where you'll have to input certain things and then clear them, undo, and just basic functionality about how to enter math into the computer using ALEKS. So for example, here's a fraction button. There are also ways to graph, to use exponents, and other items as you go through the tutorial. After doing this tutorial, you'll be asked to do an initial knowledge check. This is where ALEKS will decide what you already know. So when you start the knowledge check, you'll have to go through and answer some questions, many of which you may not know the answer to, but do your best. And periodically you'll be given this knowledge check as you go throughout the course to make sure that you're making adequate progress. After this, you'll have assignments in ALEKS, and the assignments will include objectives and quizzes that you'll take every week. Due dates are listed in a calendar inside of ALEKS. This is a link to the discussion board, and in the discussion board you'll see introductions, classroom collaboration, and possibly some other discussion boards that will be listed throughout the course. The classroom collaboration discussion board is for you to do exactly that. Collaborate with your classmates on written assignments and lab assignments. There are other links that you can use. In the course resources tab, which I mentioned earlier, there are some resources from other instructors at your college. Some are for Mrs. Stephanie Hall, and some are for the Desmos graphing utility, navigating through ALEKS. And the Desmos graphing utility is the graphing utility that you should use for this course. Don't use a graphing calculator. In the Desmos calculator, it's very simple. Just type in an equation and it immediately will graph. You can click on key points in the graph. You can also graph vertical lines, and you don't even need to solve for y. Also, you can slide values around to see different things, and you'll be able to do this when you're using Desmos in the course. So we're going to click back now since we're still in Blackboard. Notice all the Blackboard buttons are here at the top. There are videos in Khan Academy, Patrick JMT. The JMT stands for Just Math Tutorials, and there are lots and lots and lots of videos available in patrickjmt.com. There are also videos available inside your eText in ALEKS. Okay, so there's ALEKS customer support, Blackboard help, many other buttons available to you. If you have problems in ALEKS, you can use this ALEKS support page. There's also customer service information in your syllabus about ALEKS. Okay, so I hope that you've enjoyed this brief video about walking through Blackboard. If you have any questions about any of these buttons or how to navigate, please send me an email. Hope you have a great day.